I know this may sound super crazy, but this has been stressing me out. And I could not figure out what am I just so stressed about in the garden. And unfortunately, is this. I love Greenstalk. But my life has changed a lot this year. I just cannot do what I used to do. And Greenstalk is heavy. You have to take it apart, redo the soil. But I've put it off for the past 2 months. I just have not wanted to touch it. I ended up taking my garden planner. You can get the link below if that's something that interests you. But in my garden planner, I have like a reflection page where you can reflect on how you're feeling. It even has this little thing that's from a sad face to a happy face, so you can say how you're feeling. So I did that as an exercise, and I was just at the end, like I did not want to touch this. And come to find out that I had to accept I'm not the same person I was last year. I just physically cannot do what I was doing last year. So I have to adapt. So I came up with some ideas of what I want to do with Greenstalk, because I love this stuff, but I can't use it the same. So I'm going to show you what I have in my mind. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna do it together and figure it out. I love the garden planner just because I think I get in my own head and I just postpone, and I realize I have to adapt. Every year there's something different, especially when you're getting older like me. I have to adapt every year to anything that is happening, whether it's for me or my mother or my husband. We're not the same. Every year there's some evolution that happens as you get older. But I'm gonna make this work. I'm determined. I'm going to figure out if this truly works. This is just an idea. I think it'll be really cute. Well, let's do it. This right here, it's been sitting here making me feel guilty and not inspired, not excited, just overwhelmed. I couldn't handle my Greenstalk anymore, not like this. So I love growing food, I love beauty, but this tall tower became a burden. And every spring I look at it the last 2 years and I just feel behind because I put it off. So I did something about it, and it might be exactly what you need too. I think I like this setup so much. I'm gonna mix some flowers because it makes me happy. I'm gonna put some food here so it's easy to grab. My mom can grab that very easy. And then I'll put some flowers down here. But I'm gonna get planting on these. I think 3 tiers is plenty. It doesn't interrupt when I stand there every morning looking out, and I don't want to block it either. But this is really easy for me to just go like that and be able to harvest. And what I like is if stuff dies down in the lettuce, I can replace it. It's not a whole big tower that becomes overwhelming for me. But as I'm here, I think I have a great idea what I'm gonna do, because I don't want to see the top of that. So I don't want to put just the lid. I have the lid, but I want more than that. So I think I'm gonna try something. It'll be cute. We'll see if it works. I'm gonna start with this. Look at this, how pretty that rose. It's like a soft pink. I think it'll be so nice in there. I don't know how much sun it'll get, but it may be a good thing. These, I grew this from seed. This is Alyssum, and I think I only need one. I'm gonna take some of this soil up there. Sorry, it's a plane going by. Oh yeah, that looks so pretty. This will take over. I think I'm gonna put, I have this, it's pretty late in the season. I have this ranunculus that I haven't planted. I'm gonna place it in here. Down here I have a lettuce. This is the Uticule, I believe. Two of them. Oh no, these are Butter Crunch. And then I have the Feverfew. This is the chard that turns red, Firebird. I'm gonna place it on the back because these two will grow tall. And then my cilantro. And this is, I think, Bib lettuce. I thought it was arugula and it's not. And I think I'm gonna get a red lettuce, a Merlot for here. But this is what I'm gonna lay here. I think when it grows it'll be so pretty. These in. Okay, let me get some compost. So I want the whole space to feel as one. So I'm taking care of the Greenstalk, but I also want to think of this as part of the Greenstalk story. If this shift to a simpler way of gardening speaks to you, hit subscribe. I share real solutions like this every week to help you feel good in your garden again, without all of the pressure. I think I like this. Maybe I'll put a piece of stone up here. I can still water and a plant on top. So I have a hydrangea here. This one is blue. It's like a lace hydrangea, and I went to the store and found this. It's like a miniature hydrangea. And it comes in a short little bowl. So I think I'm gonna do that here. I think I have to find something to place instead of this pot, but I will find something later. But I just really like this. He has a nice top. that blends more with the concept or the idea of how I love stones in the garden. Yeah, and I like the 3 levels. It doesn't block the window. You see the flowers from inside, which will be perfect. I placed this one right here on the corner to go into the secret garden. I'm only doing 3 layers. I thought about doing 4, but both my mother and Harling think I should do 3, so I'm gonna do 3. But I hate how you can see the spinner. Let me show you that. So you can see the spinner, and I just really do not like that. And I have a chamomile here, so I have an idea to protect that chamomile. I'm gonna put stones all around this and cover it, leave enough of a gap so I can turn this. And then I'll do something similar on the top. There we go. Okay, this one is done. I got a bunch of herbs, cilantro, parsley, lettuces, kale, chard. I got pink chard and the firebird chard right here. There's the kale, the Russian kale. There's the pink chard. I got dill on this one too, and the feverfew on the top because it'll grow tall. So now I just need the stone to go here and then decide what I'm gonna place. I'm thinking that I may do a sculpture on this one. That would look really pretty. So I think I need a pot for this, and this likes the sun. On this white pot that I think I like with that because it makes it stand out. Put some potting soil. Put some compost. These roses love compost. I wish the pot was a little smaller, but I think I want to put a little stone here. Let's see if I can find a pretty one. Let's see. I found this 3. I think I'm going to do the light. Yeah, the light one stands out. These are 2 similar to that, so. Decided I need to fix it. I found this basket where I have all my stuff. I think I'm gonna use it. And what I'll do, let's see. I'm gonna put it this way. All last night I kept thinking about this and I just did not like it. I like that, and I found this stone around. I'm gonna put it right here. This is a beautiful Buddha I have that I found, and he takes the sadness from you so that you can have peace in your life. I'll place him here, and a little stone. I think that hydrangea with this other hydrangea is gonna look so pretty. You can see that it's just full of little buds all over the place. I can't wait. Oh, one of the stones fell. Place that there. There we go. And she's done. I can still water through here. And yeah, I think I like this so much. I'll have plenty of lettuce and I can still turn this for whatever I want without any issue. I'd love to hear how you're working with your garden. Not against it. Did you downsize a garden tool or a setup to make your life feel better? Continue to grow for your mind, body, and soul.